Welcome, everybody, to our Sales Tech Talk, where we talk about technology that helps salespeople succeed. I wanted to introduce you to Jay, my Salesforce dynamo, who builds the coolest technology for salespeople. He and I have been talking a lot about relationships and how valuable and critical they are in helping you understand how to close a deal with a prospect who has multiple decision makers. And so he built the most amazing product that I wanted to share with you today. So Jay, welcome, and let's talk about your cool technology.
Hey, hi Steve. Very excited to be here. And what I wanted to show you today is how can salespeople manage their customer relationships? Because we know relationship move mountains. So let me quickly jump into and show it to you. So let us start from our Bolt Kanban that we spoke last time. And it is the same Bolt Kanban. Yes. It is just the next version of it. It is coming on appexchange, but I will jump into an opportunity and show you how Bolt chart looks like. So when you create a new opportunity, the Bolt chart automatically gets created. And this is how it looks.
Is that all the relationships in an organization? Looks like the whole executive team.
Yes, exactly. So what the Bolt product allows you to do is it creates these organization charts automatically. And it does it using templates. So it has pre-built templates into it, but you can also define your own template based on the stakeholder roles that you need to connect with into your prospect organizations. So moment a sales guy creates a new opportunity, this chart comes up and he has no more blind spots. He knows whom he needs to go and start talking to.
That's incredible. You put one person in. So for example, let's say Dan over here, the chief revenue officer, I connect to, and this entire thing pre-fills into Dan's opportunity for this prospect.
Yes, that is correct. And it is not about only one contact, but anybody and everybody who is talking from your organization into the prospect organization. All those contacts are automatically captured. They are auto created into Salesforce and the product shows you on the right side. So these are all the contacts from your Salesforce. And for example, if Mark is, or if Jeff is important for your opportunity, you can very easily drag and drop Jeff on the chart and here you go.
Oh, that's cool. You were talking about how who in your organization knows these people. So how do you see that?
Yes, so you can very easily find out who is talking to whom. For example, let's see who is talking to the CEO. And in this particular case, we see two people who are talking to the CEO. You also see a number next to them, 67 and 51. That is nothing but an engagement score. So product has analytics built in, which will calculate how well does Mark knows Satya versus Dev knows Satya.
So I would want to go to Mark in my organization to get in front of the CEO of my prospect and make sure that leverage the relationship they've already built together so I don't have to do it myself.
Exactly. And that's the whole point.
That is fantastic. And so you also mentioned something really critical to salespeople. It autofills each of these contacts into Salesforce, meaning as a salesman, I don't have to put all that in once I've entered Dan. Everybody else gets put into Salesforce for me?
Yes, you don't even have to put Dan. Dan also shows up automatically, right? So what the product does is it connects to your email systems, and we use out-of-box Salesforce Outlook connection, Gmail connection, right? You can also use Einstein activity capture if you're using that product, or we also have a custom integration with email systems and social media systems. So using those technologies, we auto bring these contacts inside Salesforce and saves a lot of time for salespeople entering this data.
Oh, that's fantastic. So I can tell who in my organization is talking to my prospect or people at my prospect to help me leverage better relationships into these prospects to close deals faster. This is fantastic.
There is one more thing.
Yeah, sorry, let me show you. Let me see it. I'm sorry. It's so exciting.
Yes. So if you click on a specific contact, you can also know whether he's your champion. And if somebody is your friend, you can mark him a champion in the opportunity. You can also capture his role. Is he going to be an economic decision maker, right? Or is he a general decision maker in the organization? So that gives you a very clear picture on the chart So if you can see a green line for a champion very easily, you can go to the decision makers on the top and you can see who are the decision makers in the company. In this case, the CFO is a decision maker, and guess what? We still don't know the CFO. So this opportunity is at risk. You will need to connect with Michael in order to get to the CFO. And how do you connect to the Michael? Again, you click here, you see Mark has a better relationship with Michael. Through Mark, you go to Michael. Through Michael, you go to the CFO. It is that easy.
Oh, that is fantastic. So I can tell my boss as a salesman, I can tell him who's moving the process along, who's getting in the way, who do we need to build relationships with, and who in the organization can help me close the deal. So it essentially, this seems like it just turns the entire company that I work with into a Salesforce, just by helping me leverage relationships. That's brilliant. That's so cool. How do I get this?
Oh yeah, so this is also available on appexchange, like all my other products. So you can click get it now, you can install it. It's natively built onto Salesforce. So all your data, everything remains into Salesforce. And as we know, due to COVID situation, a lot of companies are going through hard time. So we are also giving away some coupons by which you can use this product free of charge. So reach out to us and we can get you started today.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So sales team, go figure out how to get this. Go to the appexchange, download this, get the coupon, get started on this, and fill your pipeline with deeper and faster moving relationships so you can close deals quicker. So guys, I really appreciate it. Jay, thank you so much for showing this. Thank you so much for creating this. This is one of a kind. I can't wait to see it in action. So everybody, thanks so much for coming.
Thank you, Steve. Bye-bye.